Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Introduction to Algebra. So before we are going to start the chapter, let's study that what is algebra and let's study some expressions for the algebra. So we have algebra is the study of mathematics in which it includes symbols, which is plus, minus, multiplication or division, and variables. Variables means letters, English alphabetic letters. It will be A, X, Y, Z or any else alphabet. Like we have 3x plus 5. 3 is the number, 5 is the number. This is a symbol and this x is a variable. So we have number, symbol, and this alphabets are variables. In algebra we read or we study numbers with variables. So let's start the chapter. Page number 54, question number 2. There are X colors ball in a box. Some balls are added or removed from the box. Find the number of ball in the box in term of X. At first, X, add one ball, X plus 1. Remove one ball, X minus 1. X is the number of balls. And we are going to add or remove the balls. Add 2 balls, X plus 2. Add 5 balls, X plus 5. Remove 3 balls, X minus 3. Remove 8 balls, X minus 8. X is the variable, minus is the symbol, and 8 is the number. Here we have page number 55, number 3. Women is 12-year-old and his mother is Y. A variable, years old than him. How old is his mother? So we just have to add 12 with Y. Y is the number of his mother, years, and 12 is women's number. 12 plus Y, 12 plus Y. So his mother is 12 plus Y year old. Because we don't have the value of Y, so we are going to take this Y same as it is. Question number 4 is, write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Explain your answer. So here we have the questions. We have solved this question in the copy. Let's see. Number 1 is add 5 to A plus 5. Add B to L. So we have this. B to 1. 4 more than C, C plus 4. D more than 8, 8 plus D. If the numbers are at first, we are going to write the variables first and number on the second. And if the variables are at the first, we are going to write number at first, variable at the second. Variable, number, number, variable. Subtract 3 from E, E minus 3. Subtract F from 7, 7 minus F. 6 less than G, G minus 6. H less than 2, 2 minus H. Number 6. In a basket there are Q apples and twice as many oranges as apples. How many oranges are there? So we have 2 multiplied by Q. We have 2Q. There are 2Q oranges. Q is the variable. We don't know the value of this Q apples. Number 7. Again we have to write the multiples of algebraic expression. Multiply A by 7. 7 multiplied by A or 7A. 3 by B. 3 multiplied by B or 3B. 9C. 5 times of D, 5 multiplied by D. Number E, there are X peanuts in a pocket How many peanuts are there in 10 packets? So we have 10 multiplied by x or 10x. There are 10x peanuts in a packet. X is the number of peanuts variable. So we are going to multiply 10 packets with the number of peanut variable. Page number 57. Question number 9 is, Tom has T stamps. He put an equal number of stamps in 5 albums. How many stamps are there in each album? So T divided by 5. T is the number of stamps and he put in 5 albums. So the answer is T divided by 5. T upon 5. Question number 10 is, there are 2W cupcakes in a box. 7 children share the cupcakes equally. How many cupcakes will each child receive? So we simply divided 2W divided by 7. 2W divided by 7. Variable and numbers. Question number 11 is, write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Here we have the expressions. Let's solve these in the copy. Here we have number 1 is a by 2. Divide a by 2, a divided by 2, a upon 2. Divide 5b by 2, 5b divided by 7. Divide c into 5 equal groups. C divided by 5, c upon 5. Divide d plus 1 into 9 equal groups. D plus 1 divided by 9. So it is D plus 1 upon 9. Number last is, 4 children share P chocolate. P is the number of total chocolates. How many chocolate does each child get? P upon 4. Here we have Bala's age. Find their ages. 2 years ago. So T is the age now, T minus 2. 10 years ago, T minus 10. In 5 years time, T plus 5 because after 5 years. In 20 years time, T plus 20 because T is the present age and we have to subtract or add the numbers in this T. Cousin's age, 2T. 2T minus 2, 2 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years later and 20 years later. Here we have, in a box there are U red beets. There are half as many blue beets as red. There are 5 times more green beets than red beets and 3 fewer oranges beet than blue beets. Find the number of blue, green and orange beets in terms of U. Color of beets, number of beet. Red U, blue U upon 2, green U plus 5, more green. Orange U divided by 2 minus 3. Here we have the questions. 15 cookies are added. How many cookies are there in container? P is the total number of cookies. P plus 15. 15 cookies are eaten. How many cookies are left? P minus 15. P is the total number of cookies. How many cookies are there in 5 such containers? 5 multiplied by P. All the cookies in 5 such containers are put equally into 12 bowls. How many cookies are there in each bowl? 5P divided by 2. 5 such containers, so 5P is the total number of cookies and divided into 12 bowls. Page number 60. Write an algebraic expression of each of the following. Add a plus a to 9, 9 plus a. Multiply c by 7, 7c. Subtract 12 from twice of e, 2e minus 12. Divide the sum of 11 and g by 9. 11 plus g, sum means we have to add 11 and g, then divide with 9. So 11 plus g and divided by 9. We just have to write in the expressions. We don't need to solve the whole equation. We just have to write it in this expression form. Subtract b from 10. 10 minus b. Divide d by 8. D divided by 8. Add 2 to 4 times of f. 4 times of f. 4f plus 2. Because we have to add 2. Add 1 to half of h. Half of h means h upon 2. Half and plus 2. Because we have to add. Now here we have the table below describe the number of vehicles in a car. Find the number of each vehicle in terms of Q. There are Q motors. Q. There are 10 times as many cars as motorcycle. How many cars are there? 10 Q. Q is the motorcycle and 10 more into Q. There are 3 times as many motorcycles as a scooter. Q divided by 3. There are 51 more motorcycles than van. How many vans are there? So Q minus 51 to find the number of vans. Chapter 3 Introduction to Algebra in Book 5A, page number 45. Worksheet 1 Using letters for unknown quantities. Add 2 to a plus 2, same as it is we have done in the book. B minus 5, c multiplied by 8, d divided by 12. 4 times of e from 72. 4 times e, 4e, subtract minus 72. 6f plus 1, sum means to add the numbers, so we add both the numbers, and divided by 7. 3g upon 2, less means subtract, sum means we have to add, h upon 2 plus 9. Half of the sum of 15 and I. 15 plus I and half means 2. 1 upon 2 is the half of a number. 8 plus a third of j. J upon 3 is the third and half 8 plus j upon 3. Page number 46. Question number 2. Ginny has k stickers. Write an algebraic expression for the numbers of stickers each child has. Nora has 30 stickers than Ginny. How many stickers does Nora have? So we have number of stickers k plus 30. Sam has 8 fewer stickers than Ginny. How many stickers does Sam have? K minus 8. Priya has 3 times as many stickers as Ginny. How many stickers does Priya have? 3k. Anne has half as many stickers as Ginny. How many stickers does Anne have? K upon 2. Half means k upon 2. 2 is the half. Ginny has 14 fewer stickers than Milling. How many stickers does Milling have? K plus 14, because Ginny is having fewer, but we are asking for the Milling. So Milling is having 14 more. Ginny has 3 times as many stickers as Bala. How many stickers does Bala have? K upon 3. Page number 47. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Tom's father is 184 centimeter tall and Tom is p centimeter tall. Tom is shorter than his father. What is the difference in their height? So 184 minus p. Tom's is p centimeter tall and his father is 184, so 184 minus p. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle is q. What is the perimeter of the triangle? 3q. Junhao is r-year-olds. How old will be in 3 years? R plus 3 year old, because he is r-year-old and after 3 years he will be r plus 3. There are t sheets of paper. Each sheet of paper is cut into 2 pieces. How many pieces of paper are there in altogether? 2 plus T. Priya is W year old. Priya is 3 times as old as her cousin. How old was Priya's cousin 5 years ago? W upon 3, 3 times, and W is the number of Priya, and his cousin is 5 years ago, minus 5. Here we have a mind workout. An apple cost W cent while a papaya cost $2. Find the total cost of 2 apples and 3 papaya in term of W. Give your answer in dollars. So apple cost W and papaya cost 2. The total cost of 2 apples is 2W. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So the total cost in dollar is 2W plus 6. This is the cost of apples, W, and then 2 apples, and papaya is $2 cost of papaya, and 3 papayas, 2 3s are 6. So 2W plus 6. Okay, here we have a maths journal. Is each of the following statement correct? We just have to write yes or no. So here is the statement, which is add 5 to 2a. So when we add 5 to 2a, it is 2a plus 5. Yes. 7b less than 8 is the same as 7b minus 8. No, it is 8 minus 7b. C plus 8, 6 is the same division, the sum of C and 8 into 6 equal groups. Yes, 8 into 6 equal groups and C. 12e minus 3 is the same as multiple 3 less than e by 12. No, 12e by 3. So it is a wrong statement. Here we have the division 3. Same as it is, we have solved the previous. So I am just showing you the solution because we have already done this in the previous pages and in book 5. Bala has X marble. He put an equal number of marble in 7 bowls. How many marbles are there in each box? Total number of marble X equally put in 7 box. So it means X divided by 7 or X upon 7. Beena bake Y cakes. She put 20 cakes and distribute the rest equally to 4 friends. How many cake did friend receive? Number of cake Y as it is given. Cake kept 20 cakes. Cake distributed in 4 friends. So 4 minus 20 divided by 4. Y minus 20 divided by 4. Each friend received Y minus 20 divided by 4 cakes. There are Z chairs in a classroom. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. So here we just have to read the statement and make the algebraic expression. 13 chairs are added. How many chairs are there in the class? Z is the total number of chairs, Z plus 13. 12 chairs are occupied. How many chairs are not occupied? Z minus 12. How many chairs are there in 3 such classrooms? 3 Z. There are 2 more tables than chairs. How many tables are there? Z plus 2. Z is the number of chairs and we are going to add 2 more. There are 5 times as many shelves as chairs. How many shelves are there? 5 multiplied by Z. All the chairs in 4 such classrooms are put equally into 6 classrooms. How many chairs are there in each classroom? 4 Z, because all the chairs in 4 such classrooms. 4 multiplied by Z chairs and equally in 6 classrooms divided by 6. So this is the last page of your chapter number 3.